में एआई का सही प्रयोग हो रहा है। एआई पर जनता का भरोसा जरूरी है। एआई को लेकर कानून भी बनाए गए हैं। कानून बनाने से एआई के गलत इस्तेमाल पर रोक लगी है। एआई से लोगों को रोजगार मिला है। सांसद कार्तिकेय शर्मा ने कहा कि भारत एआई का भविष्य है। सांसद कार्तिकेय शर्मा ने कहा कि महिलाओं में ब्रेस्ट कैंसर जांच के लिए नमो शक्ति रथ चलाया गया। इसमें नो सी नो टच टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। ये सब एआई की वजह से ही संभव हो पाया है। महिलाएं अपने क्षेत्र से दूर जाए बिना अच्छा इलाज पा रही हैं।
AI adoption, India's approach to artificial intelligence has been sustainable and inclusively driven under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Government of India has been clear that AI must be ethical, inclusive and aligned with our development priorities. In line with the vision of the government is setting foundations not just for technological advancement but for public good. The first foundation is trust in data governance. AI systems depend on data, and without public confidence in how data is protected, large-scale AI deployment cannot be sustained. In 2023, the Government of India enacted the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. The law mandates informed consent for data use, limit the purpose and duration of data storage, and establishes accountability for misuse. These features ensure that AI deployment proceeds with citizen rights and protections at the forefront. The second foundation is national capability building. The Union Cabinet has approved India AI Mission with an investment of more than 10,300 crores over 5 years. This mission has already deployed over 38,000 high-performance GPUs to create shared computing infrastructure that startups, researchers, and public institutions can access. Through the mission, the government is deliberately fostering an ecosystem where innovation is widely accessible, not concentrated in a few silos. AI is also a major employment and economic driver. Over 6 million people are currently employed in India's tech and AI ecosystem. And the broader Indian tech sector is projected to exceed 280 billion in revenues this year. Independent estimates suggest that AI could add up to 1.7 trillion to India's economy by 2035, reinforcing the view that AI is central to India's future growth. India's ability to scale AI responsibly is anchored in digital public infrastructure. Platforms such as Aadhaar, UPI, United Payments Interface, DigiLocker, and the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission are not theoretical constructs but real systems operating at population scale. UPI is now one of the world's largest digital payment systems, with volumes increasing year after year and transactions numbering in the hundreds of billions annually, making India a global leader in secure, real-time digital payments. In the health sector, digital transformation is measurable. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, ABDM, has enabled over 67 crore Ayushman Bharat health accounts and linked more than 42 crore health records across the country. Over 1.3 lakh health facilities, including more than 17,000 private facilities, are ABDM enabled, connecting patients, doctors and systems electronically. This digital backbone allows AI tools to operate on data responsibly and safely, improving clinical decision-making and public health planning. AI applications in India are not confined to isolated pilots in education. AI-enabled adaptive learning platforms reach millions of students across languages and regions, reducing learning gaps in systems with more than 250 million learners. In agriculture, AI tools help farmers plant crops using weather forecasts and satellite data, providing actionable advisories to millions of small landholders. The Government of India has also prioritized digital literacy in AI. This year, the National AI Literacy Program was launched with flagship courses under Yuva AI for All to promote AI awareness and skills among youth. The program aligns with our vision of preparing India's young population for an AI-enabled future of democratizing, understanding AI across socio-economic groups. Let me now speak about an initiative that I have personally started, the Namo Shakti Rath, the project that was conceived to tackle a critical public health gap, late detection of breast cancer among women. By bringing AI-enabled screening directly to the communities, medical evidence shows that when breast cancer is detected early, survival rates can exceed 90%. Yet, many women lack access to early screening due to distance, cost and social barriers. Through the Namo Shakti Rath initiative, we are taking AI-powered radiation-free, non-invasive breast cancer screening directly to towns and villages. Women do not need to travel long distances for tertiary care centers. Screening is done with dignity in their own communities and suspected cases are seamlessly referred into the public health system for follow-ups.
तो देखिए दिल्ली में खास कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया और ये खास कार्यक्रम जिसमें सांसद कार्तिकेय शर्मा शामिल हुए। एआई प्रभाव शिखर सम्मेलन का आयोजन था और इसमें खास तौर से सांसद ने इन तमाम मुद्दों पर सबका ध्यान आकर्षित किया कि कैसे आज एआई का इस्तेमाल जो है वो हर क्षेत्र में हो रहा है। चलिए बढ़ते खबरों में आगे। बड़ी खबर इस वक्त सामने आ रही है बहादुरगढ़ से इस वक्त की